good afternoon, ladies. What's your name and department?
My name is Oluchi,
Okay.
Civil Engineering.
Okay, Olushi, and you?
Chinyere Civil Engineering.
Okay. So, what is civil engineering as a course?
Civil Engineering has to do with construction, has to do with building, has to do with a lot of things actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, why did you decide to study civil engineering?
That has always been what I have always wanted to do. It's from my passion, it's what I wanted for myself. Right from when I was in secondary school, I never saw myself doing the medical course. I'm not that kind of person.
Okay.
You get? I'm good in maths, I'm good in technical drawing, so that's what gave me the key to doing civil engineering.
Okay. She just talked about she's good in mathematics and she's good in technical drawing. So let's assume a student that is like doesn't have a solid foundation in mathematics and technical drawing. Is it possible for that person to do very well in civil engineering?
Not really. You have to know how to calculate because calculation is everything. Civil engineering is everything about calculation. You do calculation in building. Even this, to actually build a structure like this, it has to do with calculations. To know the amount of reinforcement, everything is just calculations, and you should know your drawing as well. It's very necessary.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you describe like a typical day of a civil engineering student? Like how does your day start and end?
For my department, normally we just start our class from 9 a.m. to 2, 3, 4, depending on the lectures we have that day. So it's not taking the whole day. It's not that stressful.
Okay.
It's not that stressful. Just 1 hour, highest 1 hour 30 minutes per class, from 9 to 2, 3, highest.
But is it possible like to do other things like side hustle as a civil engineering student?
It's very possible. So many students are doing online businesses and it's not affecting. It's not affecting as a student. You could have a side hustle too.
Okay. So how many years is this course?
5 years.
5 years.
Yes.
So do you guys go for like IT, something like that?
Yeah, we just came back from our IT. We did our IT 400 level second semester.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. So can you like just break down what you do from your first year? Like which level is actually challenging?
200 level, I would say. 200 level was the most challenging because that 100 level, it was mostly our secondary school work, so it was not that difficult. But from 200 level, it's just like entering what civil engineering is all about. So there was a little shake. I don't think it's for only me. I feel everybody was affected.
Yeah. So have you had any like challenging experience in terms of academics so far?
300 level wasn't easy at all. It was complicated. Yeah, I think that's what we said the main thing about this course. 200 level was hard, yeah, but 300 like has to do with like that's okay. Our lecturers even identifying us as their colleagues to tell you, okay, you're actually in for the hard stuff that are coming. So yeah, it's actually challenging, but we're doing it, yeah. So
okay. That is actually very nice. So generally engineering courses you have mostly male students. So just tell me what the experience like being a female, and why do you think a lot of ladies don't actually go for engineering?
A lot of ladies don't go for engineering because they're obsessed with, I want to be a nurse, I want to be a medical doctor. Most females are going into medical line because it suits them better, but there are still some females that do better in this men field.
Okay.
Myself, I would be one.
Okay.
You get? So I grew up in a family where I had 3 brothers. I senior 3 brothers. So staying with boys has always been my thing. You get? So it's comfortable. It's just normal. It's a normal thing. You flow with them normally.
So what are there like different areas in civil engineering, like specialties, something like that?
Yeah, there are different specialties. There are structural, hydro engineering, water, geotechnical areas, highway, where we do the roads and the bridges. Yeah, so there are different areas. You just have to know the one you are good at or the one you have passion in. Yeah.
Okay. So the last question is, I just want you to give me advice for those that want to study this course, civil engineering.
If you can, you should. If that's what you want, then you should. As I want to talk mostly for the females. If you know you are good in this field, go into it. Don't your mom, your dad, they'll be like you should go for a medical course as a girl. But I've been discouraged a lot of times, you get. But I'm not looking at that. I thank God for a supportive. I have a very supportive dad. I have a supportive mom, so it's keeping me strong.
Wow, that is awesome. That is awesome. What's your advice?
Well, if you're a girl going for civil engineering and you feel like that's what you want to do, don't let anybody like push you away from it. And also, I would advise you to research on the course. Very, very important. Just research on the course, research on what it entails, what you have to do, and then the skills that you need to learn. Because if you learn most skills, because we're going to definitely do it, like AutoCAD, if you learn it before coming, I think it's easier for you. And if you make research, when you start doing the course, there are some things that will not be like looking different, to be like familiar. Because I didn't really research on it. I just wanted to do building, but I didn't know it entails like a lot of things and a lot of difficulties. Yeah. So like, I feel like you make research and be sure of what you want to do, and then when you go for it, just stand strong, and you can actually do it. It's not that hard.
Wow. So is it possible as a student to make money like from the course, like maybe AutoCAD, something like that?
AutoCAD, software programming, there are a lot of things you get, a lot of tech works.
That's really awesome. So thank you very much. That will be all.